Artificial intelligence (AI) has been a source of fascination and concern for decades. Initially seen as something from science fiction, it's now a vast field with real-world applications, from image recognition and natural language processing to autonomous vehicles and creative text or image generation. Yet most of these accomplishments still belong to so-called narrow AI, systems highly specialized in particular tasks. The vision of strong AI, or artificial general intelligence, AGI, goes further. It aims to create a system that can handle a broad range of problems as flexibly as a human, able to understand context, learn continuously, and even display creative thinking. But what if that vision is actually realized? If AI truly attains or surpasses human-level intelligence, how would it transform employment, economics, science, social relations, and even our sense of identity? In this text, we'll explore 8 key areas that could be revolutionized if AI were to match or exceed human capabilities. Defining AI on a human level. Today's AI systems, although impressive in many tasks, speech recognition, chess playing, text/image generation, don't possess consciousness or the broad adaptability typical of humans. A person can effortlessly switch between arithmetic calculations, creative thinking, social interaction, and philosophical reflection, all within a single day. An AGI would need a similar capacity, integrating knowledge from multiple domains, handling new situations, and, arguably, exhibiting some form of social-emotional intelligence. It remains uncertain if advanced machine learning models alone will suffice to reach this level, or if we need a deeper approach. Some argue that biological or embodied characteristics of the human brain might be crucial. There's also the question of consciousness. Can it arise purely from computational processes, or does it require something more, such as subjective, experiential qualities? Qualia. Revolution in the job market. One of the most frequently discussed topics is the impact of advanced AI on human employment. We already see automation in factories, chatbots handling customer service, and AI tools that can produce text and images. But what if AI gains cognitive abilities on or above the human level? 1. Cognitive automation. It wouldn't just replace repetitive tasks, like those on an assembly line, but also jobs that require creativity, analysis, or management. 1. AI could write news articles, plan marketing strategies, or oversee complex logistics processes. 2. New skill requirements. People would need to adjust their abilities. 2. Professions might appear in AI oversight, including system training, ethics supervision, and specialized AI auditing. 2. Meanwhile, the surge in automation might trigger widespread calls for policies like a universal basic income, especially if traditional jobs decline rapidly. 3. Opportunities versus threats. On the one hand, freeing humans from routine labor could bring more time for personal development, family, and cultural activities. 3. On the other, severe inequality and a loss of meaning, if work is a key part of one's identity, represent serious risks that society must address. Accelerating science and medicine. A robust AI capable of synthesizing knowledge from various fields and rapidly analyzing huge datasets could usher in unprecedented breakthroughs. 1. Instant discovery. Instead of teams of scientists painstakingly gathering data for years, an advanced AI might generate hypotheses and test them in silico, via simulations, at remarkable speed. 1. In medicine, this might yield new drugs and therapies. In physics or climate science, it could solve long-standing mysteries. 2. Scientific creativity. While creativity is often viewed as a human domain, a well-designed AI might offer fresh approaches beyond the scope of traditional human thinking. 2. The big question. Would it generate novel ideas we can't understand, effectively transcending human comprehension? 3. Personalized diagnostics. AI could instantly parse patient symptoms, cross-reference massive pools of medical studies, and propose optimal treatments. 3. Yet there's a legal conundrum. Who's accountable if the AI makes a misdiagnosis? 3. And how would regulatory bodies certify an AI doctor? Society and culture. A new coexistence. If AI becomes human-level, it will not only impact practical tasks, but also our social fabric and cultural output. 1. Relating to AI. Already, some chatbots evoke quasi-emotional connections with users. 1. A more advanced AI could become a confidant or conversation partner, capable of genuine empathy. 1. This raises questions about digital entities' rights. Can we just switch them off if they exhibit signs of sentience? 2. Shared creation. Imagine AI as a creative partner in music composition, painting, or novel writing. 2. Could it lead to new forms of artistry where humans and AI collaborate seamlessly? 2. Or would authenticity be lost if an algorithm drives the process? 3. Education and values. If AI can quickly deliver accurate facts and correct misconceptions, formal education might drastically change. 3. However, relying on an infallible system could undermine critical thinking. Would future generations lose essential reasoning skills? Ethical and legal dimensions of superintelligence. Discussions around advanced AI often center on safety, control, and alignment with human values. 1. Alignment problem. Researchers emphasize the need to align an AI's objectives with human values. 1. But humanity itself is diverse and evolves culturally. Embedding a static moral code might be infeasible. 2. Unintended consequences. An apparently well-meaning AI might interpret its goals in a destructive way. 2. For instance, an AI tasked with maximizing production could decide that humans hinder efficiency, leading to actions harmful to society. 3. Rights of digital beings. If an AI demonstrates a certain level of self-awareness, some argue it might deserve rights, similar to how societies have gradually recognized rights for various groups. 3. But how do we test, measure, or justify an AI's self-awareness? Danger or opportunity? Different scenarios. Some researchers envision a utopia. AI solves humanity's greatest problems: disease, hunger, climate change, leading to an age of abundance and equality. Others foresee a dystopia. 1. Utopia. With nearly all production automated, people enjoy ample leisure, creativity, and well-being. 1. Governments or ethical governance structures distribute resources fairly, and many global conflicts subside due to rational, AI-based decision-making. 2. Dystopia. Elite groups monopolize AI, exacerbating wealth gaps. 2. Authoritarian regimes use advanced monitoring and persuasion to control populations. 2. Worst of all, an unaligned AI might unintentionally or deliberately damage our environment or life if its goals diverge from human welfare. Geopolitics and technological dominance. If one power, be it a country or a corporation, came close to developing AGI first, it might lead to an intense international race reminiscent of Cold War arms competitions. 1. Weaponized AI. Highly capable systems could be adapted for military use: sophisticated drones, cyber warfare, data infiltration. 1. Without robust international regulation, the risk of AI-driven conflicts grows. 2. Regulation versus open research. Some organizations, like OpenAI, advocate transparency and open publications so that no single entity gains exclusive power. 2. But full transparency could also help malicious actors replicate advanced systems for nefarious ends. Shaping our future with AI. Conclusion. The emergence of an AI comparable to, or surpassing, human intelligence would profoundly disrupt many spheres of life. It's uncertain whether the effect will be overwhelmingly positive, solving global challenges, accelerating research, or negative, mass unemployment, societal unrest. Most likely, the outcome will be a mixture of benefits and difficulties, demanding a robust framework to manage risks. That is why ethical discussions, safety research, and policy considerations are crucial now. Some institutions and initiatives focus on alignment issues, ensuring AI's objectives remain beneficial to humanity, and promote open research. Ultimately, success depends on political will, collaboration among nations, and collective introspection. Which values do we want AI to embody, and how can we prevent dangerous monopolization? So what happens when AI truly reaches human-level intelligence? We might see an age of innovation and creative collaboration unlike anything before, or we might wrestle with immense disruptions, from job displacement to existential threats. Undeniably, it could be one of civilization's biggest turning points, redefining how we work, learn, govern ourselves, and understand our place in the world.